guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Zoe and today I created this really colorful yet fall makeup look. It's really easy smoky eye, easy for beginners. It may look intimidating just because it's so colorful, but I promise you it's very easy to achieve. And the colors just scream fall. If you're new here, please subscribe before you leave. Join the family, help us grow. And also, if you want to follow me on my other social medias on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, those all will be linked down in the description below, along with every product I used. If you want to see how I got this very colorful, easy fall smoky eye, then just keep watching.
Alright, so to start off, I'm going to prime my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to use a detailed brush to blend this out. That way I can get nice and precisely underneath my brows. And then I'm not going to set this with any powders or shadows. Next, I'm going in with the ALAMAR Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to take this shade Tropical, and I'm going to pack this onto my crease, not really being super precise or anything, just really packing this onto my crease. I want this color to be nice and vibrant. Next, I'm going to kind of blend out the edges with that same shadow brush that I used to pack on the shade. That way it's a little bit easier to blend it out when I go in with the next shade. Next, I'm taking the shade Cocoa Taxi, and it's this beautiful mustardy yellow shade, and I'm going to blend out the edges of Tropical with this. I'm also going to pack this color on a lot as well, because I want this color to show up just as much. That way it is a nice ombre effect with the whole eye look. Then I'm going to go in and pack on Tropical one more time. That way we didn't lose any of the pigmentation. And then I'll blend it out one more time again with no additional product. Just blend out the color a little bit with the same fluffy brush. Then I'm going to take Guantanamera and I'm going to pack this on my lid, and I'm going to bring this color up further than my natural crease because my eyes are hooded, so that way you can still see the shade when my eyes are fully open. Then I'm going to blend out the edge of that with the Tropical shade just a little bit, so that way we didn't lose any of the orange in there. And then again blend out the edge of that with the fluffy brush one more time. That way things are nice and seamless. Then I'm going to go in with the shade La Costa, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this. And I'm going to coat my lashes with some mascara. It doesn't really matter what mascara. We're going to go in with some falsies, but just coating my lashes with some mascara. And then I'm going to tight line my eyes with a black kohl liner. And then I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette in the middle shade to contour. I did already do my foundation and powders and concealer and stuff off camera because there are a lot of videos on my channel of how I do my foundation. So I thought I'd just skip through that and show you everything else. But I did contour my cheekbones and then my jawline. Next, I'm going to go in with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer and just bronze up my skin a little bit more, bring back some color into my face. Then I'm going to take the Note Cosmetics blush in Desert Rose and apply this to my cheeks. Then I'm going to highlight with the ABH and Nicole Guerriero palettes, and I'm using the shade 143. If you're wondering why my palette looks so janky, it's because I had to repress my powders because I broke them a while ago, so that's why. But I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my chin, my nose, and my temples. Then I'm going to move on to my lower lash line, so I'm going to line my eye with the Wet n Wild nude liner. Then I'm going to go in with Guantanamera again, and I'm going to really push this up against my lash line. That way we make the nude liner really stand out. Then I'm going to take Tropical and I'm going to blend out that line and also kind of connect the lid shade to the lower lash line shades. And I'm using a pencil brush for this. Then I'm going to deepen up the cranberry shade one more time. That way we really didn't lose the definition of it. It helps the nude liner really stand out, and I really like this little trick. Next I'm going to go back in with Cocoa Taxi and just blend out everything with the shade, so that way the lid and the lower lash line mimic each other. Then I'm going to take Daydream and I'm going to highlight my inner corners with this shade. Next I'm going to take the ABH liquid lipstick in Ashton and I'm going to line my lips with this shade. Then I'm going to take the Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipstick in CHILDSTAR and I'm going to put this on the center. Then I'm going to just blend this out with my finger. Then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, add a little bit of gloss, and then we are done with this look.
Alright guys, so that is it for this easy, colorful fall makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up before you go. Also, subscribe before you leave, join our family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!